They're not letting each other go. They're like crabs holding onto each other. They're like connected, sisters, cousins. If I turn this thing into like a shorter locks, shorter butterfly locks, you know what I mean. I think that's pretty cool about this hair. If you know, you can wear it for a while and then change the look. So what I did to achieve this was, let me tell you what I did. What I did was the end. You see the end? So the end, I took the end and basically I cut the end to expose the hair that they wrapped this curly hair around, which is this thing here. Y'all see? See this? It's like some type of kinky hair, or you see that? That's in the braid. So if I pull this hair out and pull the wavy part up, it gives me more of a textured butterfly look. And then this way I can have short hair, you see? So that's what I did. Now let me make sure this and this both match. Okay. So then now that they both match, now that they both are the same length, I'm going to split this open, tie it once, tie it twice, and then I'm going to cut that. So this way I get a different look. See, now it really looks like the butterfly locks the way that we really know it to be. So this one looks more like a distressed locks. So I'm going to try to do my entire head. I started doing this and then finish. I'm going to try to do my entire head, and then I will be back to show you guys just how it's going. What y'all think? Y'all like the short look? I will say though that I am not loving this butterfly locks. The long look, putting it up, and you know, all the cute stuff that people do. I think it's pretty nice. I probably could rock it, you know, I probably could do stuff to it. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. So for me, I'll say, you know, it's cute, but it's not me. That's what I'll say. If you absolutely love the dreads and the distressed locks and you like long hair, this is absolutely for you. But if you like to like run your fingers through your hair, and you like wearing hair like me, then this is not for you. It is lightweight. That's one great thing about it. The length, the long length, lightweight. I've been able to sleep 2 days. 2 days I've been able to sleep just fine. Usually when I put on braids, I can't go to sleep because my neck is just, I've been going to see a chiropractor for my back and my neck, so I can't handle any heavy hair at all. And this has not given me any issues. It's done pretty good. It is not heavy. So that's one pro that I can tell you. It's super lightweight. It has that, you know, butterfly textured look, but if you don't like the webbing, it's not for you. If one other pro is that it's long, you can turn it from long to short hair. A con for me is the webbing. A con for me is it's just not me. It's just not me. So I'm going to take this out. I've been sitting here just making it short to show you guys how it looks like short. Since I'm taking it out, I didn't even bother to do the back. I just wanted to give y'all the visual of if it's short, how it really looks like. So I'm going to show y'all the back, and you will notice that I didn't even bother with the back. Y'all see? I didn't even bother like cutting the back because it makes no difference to cut it. I'm not going to be wearing it anyway. Yep, I had to come show you guys day 2 of how the hair is looking, what I was loving about it, what I'm not loving about it, how it looks like shorter than longer, and trying to maneuver it and make it look more butterfly-ish. How does it look? I like the butterflies that I did myself, the crochet butterfly locks that I did by hand. I like those better. I absolutely love Harlem 125 Kima products. I do. This one didn't do it for me. You know, I can only be honest and I can only say the truth, regardless of the fact that I love the company. If something doesn't work, I'm going to say it doesn't work. And so this for me does not work. People who love the distressed look, who loves faux locks, who love butterfly looks, this is for them, but it's not my look. So I'm gonna cut it out, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.